Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. Today on the channel we have a reel for real cannon. That's a foam cannon, but they do call it a cannon, and they do call this a gun. So, or maybe it's called a wand. I don't know, but let's go over this real quick. So this is an Amazon thing, and they don't make these in the USA. So you're pretty much stuck with made in China, but that's fine. $24 for this right here, and this is going to be a car washing accessory. And I wanted to just kind of show you the breakdown here, and then we're going to use it coming up next. So you get the wand here, and I have a Greenworks power washer, and this actually feels, it feels higher quality than what the Greenworks one is. I'm assuming this is brass. I don't know if it says. I feel like if it was really brass, it would definitely say so. It does not say that it's brass. They have to look into that. I think it might be brass. It feels it feels correct. It's not too light, not too heavy. It comes with these. Now my power washer, probably like yours, has you know, the long, like probably 20 or so inch, you know, like the big long 20-inch wand on it. I was looking at these anyway, and it's kind of cool that it just comes with this, because you know, you put your foam cannon on with the quick disconnect, and then there's your foam cannon, and then nice disconnect, and you could actually, you know, power wash right here. It comes with a whole nother set of nozzles. I already have those. I don't need those, but it comes with a whole nother set of nozzles. And being a little closer, I feel like this is gonna be kind of handy. I feel like I might use this. Might use this exclusively, back and forth between foam cannon. So $24 for this setup right here. I need to read how you adjust all this. I'm assuming lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, more or less foam. Oh yeah, you can see that. See how it opens? Oh yeah, all right. I think we can play with that. So I went ahead and got, I've never bought anything like this before. It seems way overkill for what I do, but Chemical Guys, Mr. Pink, apparently this is the right soap to get good foam. So we're gonna test that here coming up next. Quite a bit of play right there. I hope that doesn't leak. That's setting up against an O-ring, but looks like the tolerance there is a bit much. I wonder what that does with one of these. Yeah, there's play in all of that. It must be here in the tip. The good thing about that is that is replaceable. So if it gives us a problem, we can swap it out. All right, let's go wash the car. All right, man, that is an easy home run. That is by far the easiest car wash. I've been washing my car for a lot of years, and man, that was almost enjoyable. Not that I minded washing cars, but that makes it so easy. For $25, you get the foam cannon, which I guess would technically fit on any quick connect, and you get the wand. Now, I washed the entire car with the smaller wand, and I didn't even get out, the giant long one. And just this right here is worth the $25. I had toyed with getting another one that was smaller because I saw some people, on YouTube videos and stuff washing with this shorter one, and it just seemed more handy to get around places, and it sure is. So to get this in addition to this for 24 bucks, man, that is an easy home run. And that Chemical Guys Mr. Pink stuff, I don't know if you could tell in the video, but it just foamed up beautifully, and that was a super easy car wash. Now, my truck was not dirty, so I hit it with the foam cannon. I didn't even pre-rinse it. They say if it's dirty, hit it with the power washer, then hit it with the foam cannon, and then rinse it, and then you can repeat if you need to hand wash. I did not hand wash at all. I only used the foam cannon, and then I just power washed it off. It came with a bunch of nozzles. Some of those nozzles are too aggressive for car paint. So the white one, I think, is like a 40 degree. That's where you need to be on a car wash. Definitely make sure that you're not using too aggressive of a spray nozzle. Power washers can do some damage. So it's not just because it's out of a power washer and you can't hurt anything with it. You can do some damage, but if you got the right tip on there, that's no problem at all. Now, I did rinse all this out. I don't know how worried I am about, I think that'll dry fine. I don't think I need to worry about that. Definitely rinse this out and not leave it when you're done. 2 ounces of the Pink Guys, the rest of it was warm water, and that was enough to do 1 vehicle. I didn't have any left over. I was down to the end of my suds when I was finishing up on the back. So yeah, man, get one of these. I put off getting these because they used to be 50 or 75 bucks. And I was just searching around on Amazon. I'll put a link for this on there. I don't have an affiliate link or anything, but I'll put a link to it because I recommend it no matter what, whether or not you're, and I've only used it 1 time, so I don't know, is it gonna break in a couple more uses? I don't know. The connections here are definitely proper, significant. So for the professional homeowner, man, you need to be foam cannoning your car. Is it necessary? I don't know. We ask that question a lot. I don't know that it's necessary, but from a simplistic ease of use standpoint, this wasn't fussy. I don't like fussy things. This wasn't too fussy. I was able to get it dialed in pretty easily to get the pattern that I wanted. And then I could adjust how much it was sucking from the bottle. And maybe I could have turned that down a little bit. I'll have to play with this connection to see if it makes that much of a difference. But 2 ounces of car wash plus the rest of it in warm water. They say to use warm water. I went ahead and tried it with warm water. Next time I'll probably just use regular hose water. In the summertime, that hose water is going to be warm anyway. So, okay, Eagle Run 2-3. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.